Yep. So anything, any insights about org model? You guys would have read this document. Mushir, you have this document with you, right?
Document, yes, sir.
Yeah. Anything, Neti, like anything you read about org model, where you can give a just a summary, like a brief introduction.
I mean the hierarchy, nothing but
Yeah, it's a representation of hierarchy.
hierarchy.
It's about the physical location of the organization and the hierarchies the client follows in the organization.
Yeah. So to start with, just take this example. Organization model. I'll start explaining. Take this diagram in your note. And this diagram, don't straight away simply write down. Just see. I will be again developing this diagram into the most elaborated way. Like if you can see, the departments are there here, countries are there here, organizations are there here. The word called organization in SAP in any module like purchase organization, sales organization, service organization, these things will play a very, very important role. So organization means in SAP, it is not the factory, it is not the company, it is any physical entity which has a role to play, which blindly you have to remember that it is an integration with some backend. When it comes to that sales organization, why he has written in a small words there is, it is a very, very key integration point which we have to understand in this topic. So take this organization model.
Ravi sir, I'm sorry, I was confused a bit. I have the other document. I don't have this document with me.
Oh, you don't have it? Yeah, I'm sending the link. So all of you are done? Done with this?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So do remember, sales organization, maybe it is your highest level of thinking what you have to do. But why do we represent these things in the system? Because when multiple teams are working from multiple locations, because when a call enters into a call center, a customer calls, maybe this guy is calling through an internet channel, or he may call me through a regular sales US West, through Denver process, or through San Diego sales office. Because I don't know this customer belongs to an internet business, because every call which comes to the call center may belong to many sales offices. Internet sales office means the billing is done online and the distributor commission is cut, and the price which goes to the consumer will be much lower than what you get it in a sales office. So internet is a global sales office generally in the market. So the cost of this product is calculated along with the freight charges, and also who is from where he is going to get the delivery, which warehouse is going to release it. So internet is something like that. So when order is coming, when I'm putting my customer's number, all his org model, that means whether he's calling from UK, Germany or US, I don't want to go and search. The system is going to go and bring all the sales manager, Mr. X is involved in this business, so it will automatically put his name. The org unit internet is involved in it, it will automatically put its number. And internet belongs to sales US West, so it automatically brings. So all this, you can see that arrow marks. You can see this. It is spreading both sides. It's spreading both sides everywhere. Everywhere. That means you call IDS US, it will tell that there are something more. In IDS US, it will show me both service and sales. If I go to sales US, it will only show me the US East and US West. Then when I go to West, it will only show me the Denver San Diego internet. That's it. Then East it will not show me. So that means whether you come from downwards, whether you come from upwards, it is going to do an automate, because in a real-time situation you will have hundreds of org units. So remember this architecture, we can repeat it for multiple hierarchies. You write this. Org model can be used for multiple hierarchies with the following characteristics. Number one, continent level. Number two, country level. Number three, vertical based. Number four, department level. Number 5, subdivision level. Number 6, territory level. Number 7, process level. Process level. Number 7, team level. Right? So you can think in all these directions, anything may work, and write the points. Org model of SAP CRM will integrate with organization structure of SAP ERP. Uh, uh, just can you all mute from yourself, your end, Mushir, Avinash? Yeah, thanks. Okay. Right. So, if you can, so as we have understood, so remember, and right, the process of org model works in the following stages. So what did we discuss till now? Can you please come back just now before going on mute?
Or model of SAP CRM will integrate with or the structure of SAP ERP.
Oh, right. Then continue with that. With SAP ERP, and write the second point there. Sales area, sales office, sales group, will help in integrating all sales and service related hierarchies. Next step. Next step. We should download the org structure from ERP before before we start org structure we start org model in CRM. Just a minute, I'm giving you right. We have to replicate R3 HR org model through data transfer process using two versions. Can you see the message which I put? Yeah, can you write that? The two versions what we use in data transfer. Done? All of you. Sapna. Right, the transaction code what we use. CRMC underscore R3 underscore org underscore generate. Can you see this? If you remember the first two words, because you don't need to remember this decode every day. We don't use it every time. CRMC underscore R3 underscore org underscore generate. Done. Right? And write this IMG path for org model. IMG CRM master data org management org model change org model. Right? Then write the T codes what we use. T codes. Create org model PPOCA underscore CRM. Create organization model PPOCA underscore CRM. Change organization model PPOMA underscore CRM. Display Organization Model, PPOSA underscore CRM. PPOSA underscore CRM. Write a side heading called Organizational Objects. Organizational Objects. There are two major organization objects. Number one, org unit. Number two, position. They are used to link the hierarchies. They are used to link the hierarchies. Right. Functions, a side heading, functions. We can define organization units using functions. General attributes. We can define responsibilities for each organization unit separately. So take the examples of functions, left hand side, and take the examples of, see this, general attributes examples means you take this one. Functions examples means take this one. For example, division is an attribute. Division is not a function, but office is a function. Marketing organization is a function. Sales organization is a function. Do remember that. Just write this. Take both the examples. Any questions between functions and attributes? It is going to be a big factor while you customize, if you don't understand these two. I'm just showing you where are these functions and where are these attributes. They will confuse you in the interview between functions and attributes very easily. Most of them are, because it is not about how to create org model. If you cannot explain them, you can see this function, attribute. You do it, but when somebody will ask you theoretically, you forget it. Functions means sales, service, marketing. You take this. Basic data, address, functions, attributes. These four are part of details of org units. Take this heading called details for org unit. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So functions and attributes. I just want you to take it as details for org unit. In that, basic data, address, functions, attributes, so that anytime somebody will ask you, you remember. You observe that here the function is 1000, right? Where when I open this, D Frankfurt, 1D sales pharma is there, it is 1030. When I go for IDS DE, it is empty. Why? Can you refer to this diagram and tell me what you have written in your note? Because sales organization starts at the main org unit, not all. We should not assign it to IDS US, isn't it? That's the reason they did not assign it to IDS DE. DE means Germany. So all of you are getting it, what I'm talking.
No, sir, I did not.
If you see in that example, every time it is showing me empty, but not when I come to IDS Frankfurt. You can see this. IDS DE, it is empty. There is no, here it is. This point I'm talking. When I come to IDS Frankfurt, can you see this 1000, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So again I'll go back to D, marketing, it is empty because it's not assigned. So you written the screen, all of you, details for org unit,
Yes, sir.
and you take this radio button sales and take this one, local, sales organization, sales office and sales group, write these three. And write this one, R3 sales organization, and circle this one in your note. Done?
Yes, sir.
Go to attributes. Circle this country and currency. Write this tuple. Tuple means distribution channel plus division. Tuple, country, currency. Right? Done? And take this point, object permitted in determination. Objects permitted in determination. It's the most important point. See, this is what we call it as the conceptual understanding with what we have in the system. If you don't know why this, because why did he write all these things in the document, and so I want you guys to come to the class by preparing on this. It is not simply, if you are coming to only the steps, I'll finish it in 15 minutes. You take this one. There are 3 steps in defining org management. We'll do in this format, okay? First we'll define, then we'll do the customization. Third, we will test it. Step 3 is nothing but testing that in the system. First, step 1 is nothing but defining an org model. Step 2 is nothing but customizing. How to define organization management. I will tell you the steps. Done. Yeah. So whatever you have followed right now, each one of you, I am going to give you an org model in the standard system. So take this one. Take this assignment. Go to ppoma_crm. Go to ppoma_crm. Then click on search. Click on search. There are two types of search. One is structured search, other one is search term. Go to structured search. So each one of you take one org model from this place and explain me in detail whatever is being taught today. See these examples. If you can see, in IDS you have IDS Financial Services, IDS Legal Services, IDS Motorbikes, right? So I want you guys to explain me. Swapna, you take IDS Motorbikes. Mushir, you take IDS Auto. Avinash, you take IDS US and explain me functions, attributes, positions, employees, users for these examples. Tomorrow before the class, each one will be explaining me this. Okay? Right. We'll catch up at 7:30 in the morning tomorrow. Right? Today I had a power cut for some time, so I was a little late. Right? See you then.